Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to show the data usage on notifications on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Now, if you want to see the data usage of your Samsung phone in the notification center, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open and select Grant Permission. Select Allow. As you can see on the screen, it is showing us the mobile data usage and the Wi-Fi data usage on our Samsung phone. And if we go to the home screen and open the notification center, in the notification center, we will find a notification which shows the mobile data usage and the Wi-Fi usage on our Samsung phone. Now, as you can see, currently we have used 1.8 MB, but if we install an app for an example, as you can see, it is showing us the Wi-Fi data usage as we are downloading the app. And this is how you can show the data usage on notification on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.